Welcome to Check Out the Rileys. Today we are going to put up a Piso Wifi here in the store. Sari Sari store. In Tacurong. So since there's no we usually put cage on it, but it's not ready, so we're just gonna put it up for right now. Welcome to Check Out the Rileys. Today is September 1st, and you know what happened if it's September 1st? September, the beginning of BER month, Burr month. And look what is happening. So as all of you know, Bill is the Santa Claus. Look what he got. That's a stranger kid just sitting on his lap right now.
They recognize me from being Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Last time we were here.
Yeah.
So they all came to me. As soon as they seen me, they all came and gathered.
Yeah.
So just 3 so far, but as you see, they like Santa Claus. I can't, even if I don't wear red. There's no mistake in being Santa Claus.
Right.
I think they're trying to get more friends over.
Right.
It was the last time we were here. Well, I know we came here.
January, I think.
So, was I still wearing the same outfit back then?
Yeah.
Here we are again.
Flute, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Tingin daw.
Hindi! Saan siya takot?
Takot siya sa gagamba.
Bakit?
They were asking why is Bill scared of a spider.
I make depression.
Kuya Bill.
So,
You don't want spider no more?
ilan ang gagamba mo?
You scared?
Dalawa lang? Saan mo kinuha yan?
Likod.
Hindi siya magkagat? So they know that Bill is scared already. So they say, hey, you wanna try? Yeah, don't bite, she said.
It's okay.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, takot din siya.
Phobia.
Yeah, huh?
Ano pa yun?
He said, why are you scared? They were
Because,
asking.
Got bitten in the eye.
Kaya kasi daw kinagat na daw siya dati.
Kinagat na kami kailan?
He said, we were bitten at the times, but still,
Sit down!
sit down now.
I learned my lesson.
Sit down!
Yeah, sit now. Oh.
Okay, keep him up. I don't want to
Tago mo na daw,
squish.
sir!
I don't want to squish his
Tago mo na
spider.
daw! Tago mo na
Look at
daw!
his.
Ipinat
What?
daw, tago mo.
He's got him like can put in the thing.
Yeah, it's his little house. You know what he said where he found out? He said at the back. Saan mo nakuha yan siya? Sa likod lang? Ha? At pinahanap?
Sa guba.
Oh. Saan? Sa may damuhan? Oh.
Sa mga kawi-kawi.
They found it in the woods.
Which one bite and which one don't bite?
Paano mo daw malaman kung nagkakagat yung gagamba at saka hindi?
Wala, hindi na nagkakagat. Kung may ginakain ka, ginagaw mo yung pagkain niya, magagat ka. Pero kung hindi,
Oh, he said if you will take their food, they will bite. But if you don't, then they won't bite. That's how they know.
hindi.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bill is being a girl for now.
My sweetheart, Mercy. Oh, I don't know. Mercy. America. Oh, Russia. Korea.
United Kingdom.
Ireland. South Africa.
He's thinking. America again.
Egypt.
Abu Dhabi.
Brazil.
India again.
Singapore.
Tacurong.
Ay, sorry.
Marbella.
Davao.
Oh, my thing. Let's see,
This is not your turn.
it is,
Uh-oh, you lost.
Kentucky.
Akan kunin yun. Chicago.
Indianapolis.
New York.
New York.
New Jersey.
Ohio.
Jordan. Jordan.
Israel.
Cleveland.
He said zebra.
Davao. Oh, Davao. Naulit yung Davao. Ako nagsabi. Ay, may ano. Orlando pa lang ganito.
Orlando. He said that.
Sigaw. Naulit lang siya. Ako din sa Phoenix. Phoenix mo.
Dallas.
Dallas Mavericks. Ay, kami. New Orleans.
She said, Evansville, Indiana. I think we switched areas.
San Francisco. State. Laod. State. Eastern Japan. Go! Okay, wala ka.
They're trying to find how to put up the receiver and the antenna. This is 20 feet long. Here's the back of the Piso Wifi. And they're outside. And there's the modem.
Tapos alas 5 sa tatahon. Pusog na ba? Siguro makahubas mo sa 60 siguro mo. Sobra pa.
Kainin na natin to. Oh! Kaya ni Kuya ako.
Ready, set, go!
Subscribe! Please subscribe!
Ready, get set, go!
Please subscribe!